Most Kenyans think retirement is something to worry about later. Later when income is higher, later when life is more stable, later when things settle. But here's the truth. The later you start, the more expensive retirement becomes. So let's start with the basics. How do pension funds actually work? A pension fund allows you to save small amounts of money consistently, while that money is invested over time so it can grow. The secret is not how much you earn, the secret is how early you start. Let me show you using real numbers. Imagine you want to earn 200,000 shillings every month when you retire at 65. If you start saving at 60 years old, you only have 5 years to invest. To reach that goal, you would need to save about 273,000 shillings every single month. That's extremely heavy and stressful for most people. If you start at 50 years old, you have 15 years to invest. Your required contribution drops to about 52,500 shillings per month. Still high, but already much better. If you start at 40 years old, you now have 25 years to invest. You only need to save about 16,950 shillings per month. Same retirement goal, much less pressure. If you start at 30 years old, you have 35 years to invest. Your monthly contribution drops to about 6,150 shillings. And if you start early at 25 years old with 40 years to invest, you only need to save about 3,800 shillings per month. As you can see, the earlier you start, the less you need to save. This is because of compound interest. Your money earns money for you, but it needs time to do that. In Kenya today, expenses don't stop in retirement. You still need money for food, healthcare, and daily living. Relying only on children, business, or luck is risky. That's why pension funds matter. At Step by Step Insurance, we help you open an individual pension plan, an IPP. This is a personal retirement investment account where you invest monthly, your money grows tax efficiently over time, and you build a retirement lump sum. By the time you turn 65, your IPP savings can grow to around 20 million shillings. That lump sum can then be used to purchase an annuity which pays you approximately 200,000 shillings per month for life. The most important thing is this: start now. The best time to start saving for retirement was yesterday. The second best time is today. Talk to Step by Step Insurance and let's plan your retirement step by step.